This video demonstrates step-by-step termination instructions for the AFL FAST ST connector on 900-micron fiber cable. The FAST ST connector kit contains the following items: a 900-micron boot, clear protective tubing, 250-micron tubing, ST connector housing, and a FAST ST connector. A separate boot kit is available for 2 and 3 mm terminations. Always wear safety glasses and properly dispose of fiber shards when handling and cleaving optical fibers. For 900-micron terminations that utilize the 900-micron fan-out breakout kit, begin by placing the 900-micron cable clamp onto the cable about 10 inches from the end of the cable. Place the 900-micron boot onto the cable. Strip 35 mm of 900-micron and 250-micron coating off. Clean the fiber with a lint-free wipe and fiber preparation fluid. Place the fiber into the CT30 cleaver at the 10.5 mm cleave length. Close the clamp. Push the cutting lever downward to cleave the fiber. Next, take the FAST ST connector and squeeze the top and bottom of the wedge to ensure that it is engaged. Insert the fiber into the connector. Create a slight bend to maintain contact. Release the wedge clip by squeezing both sides and remove the wedge clip. Now, push the boot onto the connector body. Apply the connector housing to the connector body. You will not be able to re-engage the wedge clip after the housing is applied. The termination is now complete.